The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, TITOS CHYNE, had convened an emergent meeting with all executive members and traditional heads of Bhoi district on Friday, 4th February 2022 to discuss on the government's request for land acquisition for the construction of railway lines in the area. TITOS CHYNE informed that the stand of the KHADC is to not allow for railway lines to be set up in Bhoi district as proposed by the state government of Meghalaya. Following this, all traditional heads belonging to Raj Nongse, Raj Marwet and Raj Nongpo who were present during the meeting did not give their consent towards the acquisition of land for the proposed construction of the railway lines.
Keren ni kan nono, lakadai ke goods ni ke passenger yang mentahi ngi ombek kam menjur.
Sekolah ini buat.
Hatren kaki create kita. Kau buat mentapat kita kamram jo kini ki create no sensar pa wan pani ke bius jo ki. Kata ngi la ju yai dawan ka pos ka pot. Kata kalau separate issue dan rei ngi jubab ya kan ni pani menjur.
The CEM of the KHADC also cited the reason of influx as being the main factor behind the council's non-agreement to the coming of railway lines up to Barnihat area of Bhoi district.